Cause hello, Epadomo. Oh yes, so la nuga kwiko meno mommy jore one of Paris or Tiwena. I will cannot be a me and ori no ba me.
Okay.
So on the job was Mommy jore one of Paris do am ye video call problem here.
Okay, no wala.
I will can we not be a me and on the job was a Kenny General before anything eri viebo on our who ye for any area do. In our man no carry no ba women and nika confirm in a way. Ugele work with more. Where women go no yako keko kemo.
Man work with mom.
What's your name, Raven?
My boy, my barrel. So, every year now even know a year. You get bad year. Then I think this year self, honor the family house me. Maybe I river. In your name no you want that for India or where else? Boss, you know, or where my challenge will wa. Honor where you can't read on them. Then what is you know? Or tie the door or tie it down. Then two, what actually happens? So much disrespect.
Oh, what disrespect you were?
Look away one up to 100 in my way.
Okay.
Okay, those were not the people the challenge. My said do. My said do the not do question. What soon even I aware. Or no we ye one or me one. A family went to town. Come you give me a second from people give me a family.
Okay.
Give me so see or not see me man.
Okay.
Yeah, now where when the me and I get here. Who the mind be where you are? Are we a where you are?
Unaga wa via unaga yakmanye kenujero kefi where you are.
I think about 6 years or 7 years or something like that.
Oh, 6 years in
there.
Oh.
Okay, deny in front of my family. No sooner. But in front of the whole entire family, am I where you are? So my sister, I didn't know you in person, but when you know me here, in front of my family.
Guirame. My bege last no keke no be agogo. Oko da o sin me. We no wa me ko be dawe family when you ma say. They me run I will ne da no sin me prefer even not tiny. The life we make na the save. What of for those sin? At the dirty and see with dawe family well second ojo I will regret one level you know. I wa be do mo riawe.
Date of you man will not come. Date of see that family where up come since that time my wife I think I know how to present that thing.
Well, but we go John one.
Oh, you give me some making. I'm a prince.
Men no we do I vow marriage when I sort of be near ya go John.
Well, a doggy man, a book give me send make it or we do what I said. And when my wife man. I think he brought somebody now, or what you know, or no deal, or Tio Power, no, young body, the family meeting, I will go and go. But if you power, I will tell them. There was only the person there. I think she brought one of her sister there and all those stuff. So I am my world power to man, yeah, my family, no. Because already the first day, my family now told her, you know, now. Are you my father was your twin not Iyore? No way, I mean, I will be ever do. So I'm total tired of the near year.
We pay what we mean you pay bride price, okay? You pay bride price, okay? Okay, may pay bride price. Okay.
Yes.
I may pay bride price. I'll tell you go. Odozo. Okay, we go jo cause may pay bride price. Oh, you to go around. Udi we must say be begging you a camera ban. Oh, you
Yes.
gaw. We must say go. I was seeing you. Do my bed. Do rough it.
But the money no we me queen for your mama only Yamata.
Okay.
Only Yamata. That is it's falsehood.
No, na settle wa my dey win nesu no. Or me no castle no where the base so no.
No.
Where you go there?
No.
Gassettle wa baba because of the children.
Why I make a double. I may your plan one low now. No. I respect myself. In such way. So my sister, people don't lie. There are a lot of things that went through to go on and all those calls, so every single was full. Who does that? Family man. Family man. Oh, your police, you mom at this station.
The police arrest you where we go.
Answer, who know your police mother fire. Well, you go make one. I short. They will not go back all those things I beg. Now.
Okay, now do my radio. You guys go see where we pay. Yeah, we'll pay this go see more.
If I want women on that no man. I'm not what we said again. I think we have no idea or not West family man. Yeah, well, why I have why do if I have some debts. My own about with business. Unfortunately, I was robbed. Then you go down women. They gave me now here. What else can I what was the man? I'll be paying that debt in my high for. I think I said to them, this January, this January, because we are talking about this January. Now, I'm still paying that debt. Okay, I think already that day, my family, the school fees in there, they do some kind of things. Okay, so even myself, I'm still thinking, things are not okay. I'm going through a lot right here now, presently now, so I cannot just place myself where I should not place myself. So,
but after we not tired, we no eat jena na. I want to ma. You gave a maka bomb at least you get school fees or get money. Or tell suppose who are sent they give every time.
Yes, we will do that one. I think I will have the terminal. That will be affected. You understand?
My only settle. Why you to settle? What baba? Iwe ya te settle wa Ivan wa come back no vie mobu we at Lagos.
No. I won't do that again. I won't do that.
Because he was intelligent. If you are maybe at a number we buy, a number what worry and we all cannot be an oro.
Oh, yes. No, we're not joining the Nopia. I don't know why the devil is just coming where he's not supposed to come and dwell, but by special grace of God, he will overcome it.
Amen.
Even when all this thing was going on, we are meeting when even Sharon Budane. Is this how a young man will plan a life now? We're total reason. Walking. I don't know. A lot went wrong. Yes, I might be 40. I don't mind with my sister. I don't know you.
But now ma de ma eti bi o me anu e okone mo nyi me bi o me aji opa
now. You can't think bad.
Okay, the car je be beginning.
Oh yes.
Abenu mana be mu gojo hu no wa be ge o be ya. Ona wa bi o me anu ma mu gojo hu. O be be no be je be gboko.
Be no be je gboko. Don't be you ya we be ya wo be ya. Me are who you want. Yes, me are who you want.
O se mi ye ta mi me gugu eti kokomo uya gwe ni yepa. Ore mana no jame ye menuta. Hello, sister.
Mama yemenuta mama.
Eri mi wo gwana.
Yemenuta emi afa no wata mommy e. Emi afa no wata oge yahin. Oge wata je. Me gwa oge.
Oge unwa me wato oge unwa me.
Kaka bo evota no we kama we je ige le police ya mu e. Ugbe ogbo ga gbe me e gani. Ina le police ya mu e. Me to oge. E ma ni e oge wata oge no ta oge buse bugwe e. Mo fi ge school e December e e January I wait no go tie me. Ina we almost 7 years don we me olagbo da me 9 years. Almost 7 years now. 7 years yak pa ekore. E ma na take off with e. You know they take off with children. E we better ya okizele le dokia. E ya okizele le dokia.
E pa o da mi wa. Owo gba o mo we baro yen ya kin ba ile le dokia.
E gba o mo no wahala.
Imani janiti bagi we. Bagi na only mo no fit.
Mana tale na here now. Ebe ni tala me ko bobo. Sister the man retire doni. Na he gbe la o.
O keni e stand ji na wonu do agba ori mi we yo pari se ti gba ori mo. Nla wogo ra me. Awon yo pa ise ti gba ori mo emi gan ne. La onu do agba ori mo no arige ba erige school giyan. Onu yo pa yen 1 meji.
This time I go school fees in this time I know.
We get right, when we are yari right.
Okay, je we so na no tani we je. We no tani we se. Family God, you need family je me. Obi agbe je 3 years am na. Sai ka we ya woni ape. E mana ma owi ya confirm me ne. Ile ko le wo la e wo agbe je 3 years. E me go. Emi gan gbebe do gbere ogora meje wana. Ogora meje. Emi gan gbebe do na okay we be pay na ogun yen me go we yan ka confirm me ne. Eti pray go back to that camera because that man is not responsible. God forbid. I'm not responsible. I'm not responsible.
Heavy.
I'm not responsible, mommy. I'm not responsible.
Heavy. Well, mother responsible. Keep your man.
Me we boka stage mommy we boka je ya deport me ade we 2000 na ya deport me re e ya do kwe na ima we responsible person ade kun ima e do ke lo pelo me ya ni ne ima we e mani o my family oge o went for 2 years ago ige o tin e call me o wait mado mi e ti le ke lo call me je e mana ha mo we go ti na call me ni ka ma we ma redo me we ya say go gume me na ha mo ti o ti no ge na we ma redo e me o ti no ko na ha mo me we na ha me redo e ti ta beta me na do so no bani so ina do go igbe mana wie ni wie ha ina do call e igbo we yen me go ni yen go yen de me go ni yen go ina do call ti we ni Ola we yen Nigeria yan na se yan Nigeria yan call me yan ti me ni ye be tie ni me ni ne mata e ya family oge since almost 9 years now generally na do family oge anyway ya no ta we ma wa dey okay
For 9 years my family oge
ime family oge ni ga agumegui we agwa binu mo ema na ogo gwonu different oge e family yen e azeze yahin ye mani ato wibi yen niti ye mani ato wono na ye mani ato negere o te negere is aware e oge mommy o te negere is aware Iyore se be ko eti to oge ugbo gbe me ebe ko Iyore se
Dabo nugo ka je be we boy
Italy ga je be Milano
yo ya na deport you
na deport me
Uno years you take baby Italy I vie
e 2 years you take baby Italy imera no get papa no get mama
Venu mi me na he ime nota wa bege
be no mo tell nobody no ba
mudia wa bege be no ya agwa ba ma go straight wa megere ya no egwe we pay ige jo hu o ma de answer a priest ki ori ene wiki abi pia no mo bo pradi very o we itago gbo me ti gun me bele kene mi woman alright a man no gele maltreat a woman okay why go we okay we see I for 7 years 7 years that's all 3 months after where you are I may wait 7 years you ya see I a young girl like this who am for 7 years okay ya come on who sige school wabeg am ya no tag with prince ya kibedo wabeg any am maltreat who beg ya Avia no tago viene nevi yeki, o viena evebo. Avia no wamo botte language ni. Iya in matrito ko sevebo. O avo viena evebo. They use women like snake. I via. Wa be touch me. Ah, where came no dia wa ye gare we bona. Ah, we bo my enjoy the tia massa Nigeria. 7 years, I would feel where you are. A room here with that with family. What's the name?
Be ready to okay.
What I say? What I say? What's your name? Me say. Okay, now tell me a quack what a bad boy. I'm with a care. Who your job? What do you boy? A real woman. Want me a quick fake one. Hot time when no okay, no, you mafia where you are. I want it that my banner. I know me a quick say. Okay, can you go? Oh, man, number 2, man, we go Joe. All right, with son of a man, we go Joe. Who near me a quick? Who me rock my way? Because I will have where I vian we get it talking more to it. Oh, my mother, that one away where I are where we come away.
Oh, you know, will not be no.
Tama, if you are to say I am Vienna, all disturb me already. I said, I'm up here.
I'm fine.
Era back in Erado. Huh? Una Yazujay.
So many years.
I'm going to copy 14 this year.
We are kind of thing. Because any of you are most here. A public. Wagwayo guys. Wagwayo, wala. Because I won't mokba. Wabe vitie no piana. Wabe no piagwayo. Na we fake, you know. Fake. Even no piana wata. Ma be dejo. We challenge ba we tori be. Wa make piano tori. Be sorry tori. Aye. Iye to piano tori. Eme ga sunu etabe ne ya sunu. Egbo tabe oni. They are very wicked and dangerous. Iyani ogbo ma wa be wo. Aga no be na reko unu gbagbo
Ogbo me. Obi is aware. So obi have it. O ti gbon because obi wan e begani. Ogbo me. Oga agbe me ya witi tebo ni tebo igele ga egena ise do mani go gume ya we ibe kene egbe mana ya we iso atebo gi e ti toge na we iwe egbe mana ye he na waro to na wa ku mi
iya no we dem no wa kon yo be pa wa kon a
yo pa wa kon na go e
yo pa wa kon
ye no go e
oh je obage mi ya preach every time. Well, marriage in not been a marriage of a marriage does be a marriage korocha, a marriage drunk, any marriage in a nagbina. I'm a marriage no ikebo, a major, a war, I when I value a sem, your back comment a beggar, but no mosaic, Gogana. When you're going, even you're going, no Lugano. Gaba Lugano. They cannot be going to work convener. Let's say I can about all day for. Sabama Guamita. One can you been able to go the Yakun Yaya Jabokiki? Mamma, where a benya conwa when ya neru nianic bin abo water. One can you been able to go the gay? Yakun Yaji, Wamana stop it bina. Yakun wa mafu aviana, or Muhian video. Echo put it. Agmavia know where we walk my wakon. Bar records. Soundboards, umulelegbe. Ona mi gwa voice. Ima when you gwa ja mi ya ni ma. Number 1, Mama Faith, o me anything wa contribute to aje. Aga ri wo so bu mari ne. Mi agwa mi number 1, ika emo we 10,000. O me soldier plan or let me say the money say when you worry in work money why where David says the 50,000 in demand. What did anyone come a doge? No, what Janene? My man gave a car one John. Chama only conclude the video.
Both are here. I are regular.
What talk by Obi Shame call.
Good evening, everybody.
Where how much, mommy? Where are we just
Welcome,
born?
pretty Debbie. So sorry for what happened to you. I
Thank
know
you,
it's
ma.
kind of,
Thank you.
I
I'm
know
not
it's,
pretty Debbie. It's my sister. My name is Sharon.
oh, oh Sharon, sorry for what happened to you. I
Thank you, ma.
know, I know it's very hard to look after yourself and 3 children without a man's help. And I still feel that I think it's the financial burden that also lead to you guys break up. Because he go agare marriage, he might sure we been agaro very on. And because of your deportation, the frustration and everything, and yeah, we more with character na be yare roku mama na be amego. I think
What
yeah,
show me voice, okay?
that's what lead to marriage. So what do you want us to do for you? What kind of business do you want to do? And you said your daughter want to do is it WAEC?
Yeah, no, just 3 exam. And my fellow daughter want to do work too.
Yeah, that is the GS3, junior WAEC. Okay, how
Yes,
much is
ma.
the junior WAEC?
It's 30,000.
Okay, so how much is the WAEC, the other one?
He no go that time again this year, oh man. Now next year go that because I don't pass.
No, they can enroll because my sister want to do as well. But they are still doing they can enroll. I think they
They
can
say
enroll.
later enrollment whether it's 90,000. But I don't know. I
You
don't
can do
know.
later enrollment
Well,
and
man, no, where a Benin name when I was Sazia.
It's okay.
Well,
Benin name, it's okay.
I will pay for your son. I will pay for your daughter junior WAEC.
Oh,
Then
mama, thank you, ma.
I'll
Oh,
see what the
thank
rest you're
you.
going to do.
Thank you,
Just
ma.
DM
God will
me.
bless you, ma. Thank you,
Thank
ma.
you, ma.
Thank you. My daughter is greeting
Thank
you,
you, ma.
mama. Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
No
What's
worries. So
my
you just say like the kind of business that you're going to do and how much you need for the business so that people that is watching and those in the bus can also advise on what to do.
No food that they sell. And when you rent store, man for feed they sell food for store because I be the kind of they waka for road.
But if anyway here is Tony, that food that you are selling in the shop, you know food stuff is very expensive now. Why don't you just use it to do like a raw food stuff so that since you want to be a member of this group, then we can also be patronizing you when we need.
Okay, ma.
But anyway, other people will contribute. That's just my suggestion. Instead of you cooking, because cooked food is very expensive. You understand? It's everyday stress as well.
hello?
Thank you, ma.
All right, no worry.
Yeah,
So
God
thank you.
bless you.
let other people. So you DM me, please, so that I can send you the money.
I don't know your. I don't fit near you, mama. I don't know your number. I don't know your.
Let me add you. I'm adding this pretty Debbie, so maybe just DM me or DM her.
Na TikTok, when you writing about TikTok,
Where take a cabo?
Okay, my man no. It should be say my data for
who have a
TikTok.
where
Okay,
who follow a young, or
okay,
follow a yeah. So who follow a you follow when it we follow
okay,
a back. So who do it DM who write about TikTok?
She's saying the
okay.
truth, mommy. Yeah, what's
And
saying the truth?
what I was gonna say, yeah, like when you and your husband have issues, you take your children out of it. Don't insult him in presence of your children because it's going to affect them mentally. You get.
Okay, ma.
So please, when you want to talk to him, just go in a private place. You can rain anything on him, like insult or whatever, but doing it in front of your children is going to traumatize them. They will
Thank you,
think
ma.
it's okay for a woman to insult a man. You get.
Okay, ma. Thank. But then I should call my WhatsApp number for you.
No, don't call your WhatsApp number on
What the
Facebook.
number? Well, at you,
So I will
Okay,
DM. Don't worry, I'm going to DM the pretty Debbie so that I can send your account details to me.
all right, ma. Thank you, ma.
No worries.
Thank you, ma.
Hello.
Call you. What's say?
you mention.
Attending call.
Call you.
Okay.
Lamogu.
Society where
Call you.
call attending. Contributing ni only contribute yo. Oh my easy.
I can't run at the I can't run at the
Ihe naru eva amu, aru okpara amu owa logo. Okwa. Mwen nita.
Yoje.
Mama.
Aguje binami va gbon, understand? Are you getting me?
Yes, ma.
Mommy, I'm coming. So, anything no really pass through the life now.
Eji akati e megalono.
I'm coming. Go.
What eji akati? Hello.
Continue.
Mama Faith, when eji akati no gbon la dia.
Oh. Hey, abugbe Marian of Iwo.
Oga doge.
Marian of Iwo for
Oga doge.
Your dog there not send there.
Every time I got if you not disturb me.
Okay, continue.
Mama Fetty. Call jail society where.
Society where.
Mama Faith, check what happy where I made the account.
Okay, yeah.
So, ne only tab bank me.
I did it up.
No lao go. Ga call kele orion we. Understand? So anything at all. No really me o ya gba oge mo. Anything in my next sort of water ministry member. They contribute in Uluwe wisely. Village market, you know, all the cigar, ave cocoyam, ave viantier, maybe beans. Understand? A village market to your daily ave vini working. Understand? They know we have encourage boy. Don't give up.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
Give up. Understand
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
So, Ugamori na ya dueki.
Imoro na dueki.
So, anything in Mariri contributing, no.
Okay.
Uya somewhere. Understand? Uya somewhere scratch. Then, Uga no kakabo gualuigo.
This understand the Kira continue Kira. Understand the Kira.
Mommy cook food.
I came out with do now need this store. I'm not telling you, kids all do every store.
I make anana. If I not leni, mommy. If I not leni, and have a hero one buy. Of it, they okay. Una if a hero one buy, or give it, they okay. You understand?
What man, dear, can't see that, dear.
Mommy bless you. Una hero one buy. You go no one.
You go no one.
Mommy go here
boy again.
I'm going to mommy go here the video. Osawe, iye na me faith ona jo saji. Osawe or you book and boy arion. Me no me guana e have ne. Understand?
My mommy nami where I can't do get Bola Diana.
Then you hear it. Ma bu water. Mommy blessing. Now what I walk by the Purima Sene.
Yeah. Oh, I want to more.
What? Oh, again, anyway, Shaman, I want made the mistake if I go here. It may so wrong. Yaman needs in Yamari. Bianic Boko,
Yaman, you need no Biani. I am any domo. Yeah, I always see good.
I can't Dogana here. 705. I can't the day.
No.
What made you let me buy? I can't tell the day is over.
Me take mo ye TikTok here you go me. We make the delay again.